Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video of one step hair spa. So this is basically the hot towel treatment that we all know or are aware of, or some people are not. I am trying this for the first time, so this is an experiment that I'm going to do, and I'm again going to use the same product that I had used before in one of my videos. That's the Lory hair care cream. So this is the Lory's conditioner, the fruit based conditioner that I'm going to use, and let's see if it works on me, guys. So stay tuned and check all the steps that you have to follow. This is a very simple at home spa process, so you can just follow few steps and keep doing your chores in your house while you're doing this. So stay in touch and stay tuned. Let's go to the video. So let's start with the treatment. I don't know why I did namaste, but then my hair is pretty dry and I'm really not happy with the texture right now, as you can see on the camera. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna start using the Lory hair conditioner. So let's get the conditioner out. Yep, there it is, and let's start the treatment. So as you can see, my hair is pretty dry, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab an empty bottle, add some liquid like the water in it, or you can add whatever liquid you prefer. So I'm just seeing the density, and then yep, just wet your hair all around and start using the conditioner now. So I'm gonna start from my hair from the top and then go towards the bottom. So this is how I'm going to incorporate it properly in each and every hair. Do not apply it on your scalp, guys, just from the start of your hair towards the bottom. So you have to apply more towards the ends. As you can see, they are pretty rough and I'm really not liking it right now. So I'm going to tie my hair after the application in a bun. So let's go ahead and do that. So tie your hair in a bun, and then if they don't stay, you can secure it with some rubber band. Okay, let's do that. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to apply more of the conditioner so that they are all together, and I'm going to use some cloth like a cheesecloth or a cotton cloth, the one which absorbs maximum water. So I am going to wet it with hot water and I'm just applying it on my head, as you can see, and I'm gonna keep it there for a long time, like for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how damaged your hair is. So right now I can see my skin is also damaged. So let's go out for some skin treatment. So I'm applying some skin mask. This is the first time I'm applying a mask, guys, and it was really scary. So I opened the mask, it really got nasty, but then yeah, I managed to open it up and apply it on my face. Somehow I'm not good at it, as you can see. So somehow the nose did not come out, so I'm just trying real hard there. Got it. So I'm gonna apply it and keep it like the instructions say, to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to keep my hair treatment for 20 to 25 minutes here. So let's do this, guys. Okay, so the mask is on properly, as it should fit the maximum that I can get. So I have a machine that I had purchased a long time back that I haven't used. So this is the machine. This is a massager or a exfoliator, you can say. So I just started using it. I don't know why, I just found it and I thought that I just treat my skin better. So then it got out. Oh, the mask got out, and then I'm just trying to get the mask on, and I just finally removed it and started using the treatment. Okay, now the treatment is done. We'll wash our hair and get back as soon as possible. So guys, after washing my hair, this is how it looks right now. So the ends have become a bit smoother. They're not that smooth, but yeah, it's definitely okay, and the curls are coming back, the curls that I already have. My hair feels really soft and silky. It's not that smooth as and free flowing as it should be, but then yeah, it definitely works. And if you're in a hurry and want to get a home spa or attend some function, this is definitely a way to go. If you just style your hair right now with some curls or the straightening machine, it will definitely work. Or just keep it naturally as it is, apply some serum or some cream on it, and that should work, guys. So this is my one step spa treatment. If you have any other video suggestions, please let me know, because I'll be posting video every week, and I'm about to make a series wherein I take questions about female hygiene and answer them. So please let me know. I'm not an expert, but I'm trying my level best with my personal experiences, and definitely I'll be involving some experts later on in it. So please let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel, guys. That's going to give you the update of what I'm posting. So I had made a holy hair care routine. So if you have damaged hair, you can go to that video. The link will be here or in the description. You can just go back to that video and check how you can take care of your hair. And you can also apply the same method if you're traveling in a long distance, or traveling on a hills, or going for a trekking. So please let me know if you like my video, if you have any suggestions, and what video should I be making. Is it okay? And that's it, guys. And also let me know if you want to see some more recipes, because if you go through my channel, I was posting a lot of recipes on it. So recently I've stopped posting recipes, reason being my husband has gone vegan, and I am also trying to follow it. So I'm not posting anything. So if you want to know any vegan recipes, cheap hacks, please let me know. I'll just comment, so I will go ahead and post those kind of recipes. And next video would basically be, because I'm turning 30 this year, so basically my next video would be about taking your care in your 30s. So I'm going to start taking care of my skin and my hair differently than the way I used to, or I used to never take care of my skin. And I am seeing wrinkles coming up and bags under my eyes. So I think it's because of my age. So I'm going to start making videos on female problems, and if you have any I'm really noticing some hormonal changes in me, so I am going to make videos on it. So let me know if you have any suggestions, or if you are also facing some issues. Please comment. We are here, we are one unit, and we are here to help each other. So let's go about it. And subscribe to my channel, guys. Like my video if you like my content, and stay in touch. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I keep posting things there. So that's all about it. Thank you.